Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Glory. In today's video, I bring to you the most potent hair growth oil to use and grow your hair faster, healthier. If your hair is thinning, this hair growth oil will thicken up your hair with no time. If you have experienced excessive hair fall, if your hair is not growing, if you have bad hair, if your hair have stagnant, please watch this video. This video is for you. There is more benefit on this oil that we are making. There's more benefit on it, so please watch this video to the end so I not miss any part of this video. Okay, so let's start the video. Our first ingredient is onion. Use any sizable onion you have, depending on the amount of the oil you want to make. So I'll grab one sizable of onion. Next is my garlic. I use 7 cloves of garlic. 7 cloves of garlic. Like as I said, depend on the amount of the oil you want to make. So if you want to make more larger oil, increase your ingredients. So after then, I'll go off camera to peel my garlic. After peeling it, I'll wash it thoroughly and also wash my onion. Next, I will start dicing it in a little sizes. We still have more ingredients coming. It's not only these 2 ingredients that we are using to do this oil, so keep on watching. Please don't skip the video so you don't miss the important information. I'll be telling you the how to make it, the full process of how to make this oil, the best way to use it. So don't skip the video so you don't miss that important information. This oil is very potent. When I mean it potent, is very potent. Only 1 week applying this oil, hair will be too thick to handle. You will not be experiencing excessive hair fall anymore. Your hair will even get more darker. Yes, a trial will convince you. I always like to bring to you the best DIY ingredients that you use to grow your hair without struggling to buy expensive products. So after dicing my onions, I will spray it in this plate tray. I call it plate tray. I will spray it here. Make sure that I separate the onion. You know when you slice onion, they always gum together. So I would like to separate them to be single, as I don't have to explain, but I hope you understand what I'm saying. As you can see in this video, I'm separating the onion. So after then, I will slice my garlic, also very tiny. If you are new in this channel, it's today the first time you stopping by in this channel, welcome. Please don't make it your last. Okay, in this channel is all about how to grow your natural hair without breaking the bank. So please join the family by subscribing, turn up your post notification bell so that you'll be the first to notify whenever I upload a new video. My returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. You guys are so amazing. I love you guys so much. I'm through dicing the garlic and the onion. I'm giving a close look to see how tiny they are. Next, take it to sun to dry up to 5 to 4 hours. After 4 to 5 hours, see how it look like. If you have oven, you can make use of oven, but I prefer this method because oven can dry, can burn it, and that is not good. So I prefer sun. Okay, so do you see how they have dry? Honestly, they will not dry completely. Yeah, we are making cold press version of this oil. Okay, so then grab your jar. Make sure the jar is free of moisture. Make sure that it's free of moisture. Then transfer your sun dry onion and garlic in your jar. So make sure that everything you are using is free of moisture, so that your oil will not spoil quick or contact bacteria. Is very necessary so that you keep everything super clean. So after then, we'll bring our next ingredient, which means coffee. You guys know that coffee is so amazing in our hair. I say that this oil is bomb. I mean it is bomb. So grab your coffee. This is the type of coffee I have. This is equivalent to 1 tablespoon. So pour it there. Any type of coffee you have, you are free to make use of it. Next, our olive oil. I'm using this is the olive oil I have. Sorry for that sellotape I use. The label is falling out, so I use the sellotape to hold it so that it will not fall out, to show you that it's olive oil that I'm using. So I'll grab this plate. I always use this plate as my measurement cup. Okay, so I'll fill it and transfer it into my ingredients. So after transferring it, I will still add more little oil. Make sure that any amount of this ingredient, make sure that oil cover the ingredients that we are making use of. Okay, make sure that oil cover it up. Okay, so after then, our next ingredient is vitamin E capsule. I'm using my vitamin E capsule. Any type of vitamin E you have, is it vitamin E oil or vitamin E essential oil, any type of vitamin E you have, make use of it. In case of carrier oil, you can make use of any carrier oil of your choice: coconut oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, any type of carrier oil you have, please make use of it. Okay, then I transfer my vitamin E oil. If you have vitamin E oil, use 1 tablespoon of your vitamin E oil. Okay, I'm using the capsule. So then stir this around to mix up the mixture, to make everything marry theirself. So after then, I'll take the cover and cover it very tight, very tight. Keep it keep it in your drawer, your cupboard, or wherever there is a very cool dark place for 4 good days. After 4 days, our magic oil is ready. Do you see how it is? Everything has settled down, so I will shake it very well. If you cannot shake it, you can use spoon to stir it very well. Okay, our magic oil is ready. This oil is bomb. This oil will grow your hair like crazy. When I mean it, like crazy. This oil, oh my goodness. And it's not, you know that onion used to smell, but this oil, the smell was so present. I mean it, the smell was so present. This oil is bomb. Your hair will grow like never before. Your thinning hair will grow thicker, stronger, fuller. Your excessive fall will reduce. You will not be experiencing excessive fall again. Your hair will be so thick, so healthier. Even your scalp. Also, dandruff, you have free of dandruff. You have struggling of dandruff. Your hair will not be dandruff anymore. Do you see how the thing was? Everything have extract into our oil. Do you see the color of this oil? Let me know your thoughts about this oil. Let's interrupt in comment section. Okay, and also if you are going to give it a try, so then transfer it to your applicator bottle. You understand? I don't have that nozzle applicator, so this is the type I have: normal container and normal cover. So use whatever you are using for your oil to transfer it to. So after then, I will cover it. Let's talk about the benefits of this oil. Our first ingredient was onion. Onion can provide extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair, prevent hair loss, and promote hair growth. The sulfur from onion can also help promote collagen production. Collagen helps the production of healthy skin cells and hair growth. Our second ingredient is garlic. Garlic strengthens your hair. Garlic have nutrients like vitamin B6, potassium. Also control frizz on your hair, leave them smooth and shiny. It also control the production of sebum, which is what cause hair to become grease and coils. So our next ingredient, coffee. Coffee promotes hair growth and reduce hair loss. It stimulates the hair shaft, cause the hair root for the hair to grow longer and fuller and thicker. Caffeine in coffee promotes blood flow to hair follicles. Use coffee can strengthen hair and speeding up hair growth. Vitamin E is very good in our scalp and also in our hair. It also helps to reduce hair fall. It's healthier in our hair. So olive oil is good in our hair. It also helps to promote hair growth and make our hair super moisturizing. Okay, so next, how to make use of this oil. You can use this oil as a hot oil treatment or as a pre-poo, or you can add it in your deep condition, or you can add it in your shampoo. You can incorporate this oil in anything that you are doing on your hair. And also you can use it as your sealant, like the way I'm doing in this video. Whenever you moisturize your hair, use it as your sealant. Storage. This oil can last up to 6 months. Surpass that there's no moisture on it, and store it. Don't store it in your refrigerator. Store it in a cool, dark place. Okay, so this oil, as you can see, the benefit of the ingredients we are used to infuse this oil show that this oil is very, very potent. Use this oil 3 times in a week. You see a great result on your hair. Okay, make sure that anytime you apply this oil, massage your hair very, very well. That is very, very important. Okay, so I hope that you love this video. Please, if you have not given me a thumbs up, please give this girl a thumbs up. Okay, so that it will help YouTube to push this video to more people that are searching similar content like this, and also it help the channel to grow. So please, let's grow our hair together and also grow the channel. Thank you. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Turn up your post notification bell so that you'll be the first to notify whenever I upload a new video. I love you guys so much. Thank you. See you in my next video. Remain blessed. Bye.